by using a shared access signature. Okay, a shared access signature SAS. Oh, that's the full form.
Hmm.
Okay, is a URI that grants restricted access rights to Azure storage resources. You can provide a shared access signature to clients who shouldn't be trusted with your storage account key, but who need access to certain storage account resources. By distributing a SAS URI to these clients, you can grant them access to a resource for a specified period of time with a specified set of permissions. The UI query parameters that compose the SAS token incorporate all of the information necessary to grant controlled access to a storage resource. A client who has the SAS can make a request against Azure Storage by using just the SAS URI. The information in the SAS token is used to authorize the request. Okay, basically it's a key to get the access and all.
Yes, it's a token like that we'll get.
Okay.
Read it.
All right. Types of shared access signatures. Azure Storage supports the following types of shared access signatures. An account SAS introduced with version 2015 April 5th. This type of SAS delegates access to resources in one or more of the storage services. All of the operations available via a service SAS are also available via an account SAS. With the account SAS, you can delegate access to operations that apply to a service, such as get get/c service properties and get service stats. You can also delegate access to read, write, and delete operations on blob containers, tables, queues, and file shares that are not permitted with a service SAS. For more information, see create an account SAS. A service SAS, this type of SAS delegates access to a resource in just one of the storage services. Azure Blob Storage, Azure Queue Storage, Azure Table Storage, or Azure Files. For more information, see Create a Service SAS and Service SAS examples. A user delegation SAS introduced with version 2018 November 9th. This type of SAS is secured with Azure Active Directory credentials. It's supported for blob storage only, and you can use it to grant access to containers and blobs. For more information, see Create a User Delegation SAS. Additionally, a service SAS can reference a stored access policy that provides another level of control over a set of signatures. This control includes the ability to modify or revoke access to the resource if necessary. For more info, see Define a Stored Access Policy. Okay.
Mostly this we are going to restrict the people that what they can see until what time they can see. Yeah.
Okay.
A particular file or picture or something like that.
All right.
Getting that? That's what we are doing now.
Okay.
That
Basically, these
lab
are
we will
like
be doing,
file permissions, right? I mean, through file servers.
yeah, file permissions like. But this file permission is for only for viewing or reading something on the internet like.
Okay.
That is for like for internal locally, but this is for global.
All right.
Normally we'll create one storage account and we will like we'll create one kind of blob container and we'll upload one document to that. Okay. In the container we will be checking the public access level we will give it. Okay. Then we'll go for managing the access policies on that. In the access policies we will give the start time and the expiry time until what time the people can see it like that.
Okay.
Either seeing it means like reading, listing or viewing, whatever it may be the rights we will be specifying that. So that once we set it up, only those timings that particular document can be seen on that. And we will be able to get that signature by getting from that container itself, we'll get the signature on that. With that signature, the query string is to be added with the name of the file. Okay. Then we will be able to see that file in a particular time only. Otherwise, that will be throwing that error in the browser itself. That file cannot be accessed. Step by step, I given that. Just create one storage account and create a container and upload a normal picture into that. Then we will do all this.
Like through CLI or
No. Just we'll do in GUI only, not in CLI.
Okay.
CLI because you need to know CLI also, so it's been just started. Okay.
Yeah.
We will be doing the templates later, creating the resource with the template. That time we will use some CLI.
Okay. So a new storage account.
Yes.
Okay. Resource group. I'll choose demo. Any specific name?
Keep it for like test SAS storage. Meaningful name.
Storage.
Test SAS storage like that. Okay. It's taken.
It's already taken. Okay. We'll check with the
Take
date.
it. Don't give space. Okay.
No space. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. Australia is done.
Anywhere you keep.
Hello,
Standard one,
LRS.
LRS. Yeah.
Yeah. Next.
Advanced. APIs and all okay.
Yeah. The default now. I mean over here.
That is default. Yes.
Yeah. Blob storage and access tire hot. Okay.
Yes.
Next. Enable public access from all networks, right?
Yes. Let it be as it is. We will do the changing later afterwards.
Okay, and routing Microsoft
Microsoft
network.
routing, yes. This you can remove it, it's not required.
Recovery.
Recovery is not required.
Okay, encryption. The same thing.
Yes, simple.
Tags.
Review. Great.
Okay.
After this, we'll create one container in that blob container. In that container, we will upload one small file, picture file.
Okay.
Yeah, it's finished.
Yeah, it's done. Go to resource.
Create a blob container.
Yeah. This is the existing one.
Overview, yes.
I think so. Yeah.
Create
So
a
a new
container.
one. New one, right?
Yes. Give a name as it is.
What should I give the name?
Anything you like, which is not taken one.
be checking through web, right?
Very small name. Okay.
So here. Container, right? Access to be given.
Yeah.
Okay.
Public read access for container and blobs. It is selected.
Let me check.
Public read access for container and blobs. Container properties.
Yeah, public access. Yeah, anonymous read access for containers and blobs.
Okay then.
Okay.
Then we'll go for right click on the container.
Okay.
Manage access. This is there. Access policy.
Which one? Access policy.
Access
Okay.
policy. Yes. Here it will come.
Stored access policy, and what is it? Immutable blob storage.
Add policy.
Over here. Stored access
Yes.
policies. Okay.
Yeah, click.
So
Container ID is all given.
what to give over here? Identifier.
Give it like name. Just a name.
So,
give it.
so this will be the policy name, right?
Policy name, yes. Policy name, yes.
All right. Policy 1.
Yes.
And permissions.
Permissions. Read
Okay.
list. Read and list only.
Read and list.
That's all. Nothing else.
Okay, right?
And wait. Start time, end time is there, right?
All right.
Starting time, you give it like what time you want to give. Today is the 14th. 14 July 2023. Timing, give it the timing according to your timing.
It's PM already.
What's the timing now? Give it from
1:45.
1620, give it.
So this we are giving only read write access, right?
Read and list access.
Read and list. Okay, so now it is 1:46 now.
146, sir.
Yeah.
What is that?
So what should I give?
No. Your time is what?
My time is 1:46.
140. I think 155. 155 or 150.
Yeah, I'm better 150.
You are in some different time zone. Huh?
Yeah.
You are not in India.
No. I'm not in India.
Okay. 1 second. Huh? 1 second. There is a call is coming. 1 second.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the time? End time you would like to give? Give at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
Okay.
Means, see, now it is your time is around 150 in the sense until 2 o'clock the people can access like that you give it. Same day.
Same day, huh?
You want to give it for whole 1 day like that. We wanted to verify, no?
Okay.
Whether the access is getting blocked or not.
Okay. So 55 I'll keep 155. Okay.
See, make the timing proper, otherwise you will not be able to check it properly, okay?
Yeah. Because now it is 1:47, so access start time will be 150 and ending time will be 1:55.
Okay, which country you are in now?
Bahrain.
Bahrain, I thought you are in India.
No.
Okay, no problem. That's not an issue. Wait. What is there in the next one? You already gone.
I did.
No, it's just location time zone is fine. It's going
I
to
mean, such a time zones, yeah, of the start time and the end time zones.
Okay, no problem. But the screens are very smaller. Why you guys are not doing that? Control plus it is always entering. Control plus in the screen will make the font bigger. Yeah, screen bigger for me. So is it done already? Is it done already?
Yeah, it is done. Identify a policy one.
Successfully changed. Everything is come up.
Yeah.
Means it has been created. It's created, right?
Yeah.
What is the next one? One more is the add policy. What is that? What is the name of
that? That is the immutable blob storage.
Immutable block storage.
Yeah.
Lay it out and okay, just close this policy.
So I'll have to save it.
Yeah, save it.
Okay, successfully updated.
Okay, now just click on close this. Right click on this container and get shared access signature. Are you getting anything?
Yeah, I mean generate SAS is there.
Okay, just click it.
Yeah. Okay, signing method, account key, user delegation key is there.
Shared access signature. Are you getting anywhere?
Generate SAS token and URL.
Okay, just click generate. Let's see, because settings now very much changed. It is already there. What is the last?
So token also is created and URL also is created.
Do one thing, copy one by one and keep it in the notepad.
Okay.
And give a proper name for that. What is this ID? Is it token or what?
This is URL.
This is a URL. Enter. Yes. Then URL.
Okay.
That one is.
So now.
Did you upload any picture to that?
No, nothing yet. Nothing
Just
yet.
upload one picture on that.
Yeah.
In that storage blob container. Big car.
It's just a random car.
Okay.
So file name I'll change. I mean to a simpler one.
Yes, make it like simple name car.
Okay.
Upload this to the container, please.
Yeah.
Open the container.
Yeah.
Upload.
Okay, uploaded. So I'll have to check the URL now, right? Is it? Hello?
Sorry, I was in mute. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I was on mute. Okay, that JPG picture, get a URL of this. Click on the picture now.
Okay.
Click on the picture. There will be URL. Copy the URL.
This one, right? URL.
Copy the URL. Come to the notepad again.
Yeah.
And paste it in the notepad. Enter. This is a picture. URL. Paste it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have to copy that the query string was there, right?
The first one, the token.
Query string. Yeah, query strings.
Okay.
That's a query string, no?
Yeah, the first one.
Copy that. Completely copy. Copy that.
Okay.
And paste it to after the JPG.
Over here.
Ah, yes, yes.
I mean, no space, nothing, directly pasted?
Yes. Was there a question mark was there or no?
No.
Check it again once more. Go back to that policy of that and check it.
Okay.
Get signatures.
No, it starts from SP.
SAS token, right?
Yeah.
Well, the SAS token.
Yeah, Blob SAS token.
कल मुझे मैंने पूछा नहीं, मेरे पास थोड़ी देर बाद
Starts from SP. So then over here, no space, right?
Query string, what are the query string?
होंगे शायद होंगे, मुझे नहीं पता.
Which query?
There is no query string as such.
No, nothing is there.
ये बॉटल हटाएं, बॉटल हटाएं.
It just says like Blob SAS token and Blob SAS URL.
Normally we get that query string and we will be getting the URL. That's the two things we will get it.
Maybe, yeah. I mean, the first one, maybe what you're talking is the same thing.
Just try this one, no problems. Copy that. And paste that query string towards that signature something. Yeah, just paste.
Pick URL, right?
Yeah. Paste it.
No space. Yeah, no space, nothing.
Nothing. Okay. Just copy all. And check it in the browser tab.
No, it says like blob not found.
I think your time maybe because it's 56.
Wait. I was doubting on that. Expiry. No, Minaj, I think the timings are correct. Start is 154.
No, we have to get a query string like this. This is giving the URLs only again and again.
No, it just says blob SAS token, and then the second one is the blob SAS URL. Something else also there. If we right click.
In the left hand side, are you seeing any SAS something like that?
No, not really. Shared access signature something is there.
Just click on that.
Okay.
There's so much.
Allowed services, blob file, queue table.
No. This is so much actually. So actually, this lab we can normally do it with that storage explorer only. In your case, that explorer is never working properly because it was completely done it with your previous accounts, it got collapsed completely.
Okay.
If we do one thing, just right click on the access policy. Can you go for it?
Yeah.
Can you create the second policy also? Let's see. No. Yeah, that immutable disk usage. Something.
Immutable, okay.
That one. Add a policy.
Policy type, legal hold is selected and time-based retention.
Okay.
So which one to select?
This is different one. This is not the one. Cancel it. Not right.
Okay.
This is not the one. The one which we done it is actually exactly right. Just try see the policy again. Edit the policy again. Let's see what is there in that policy.
Yeah. Edit. Permissions 2 are selected. Read and list.
Okay. And time and other things are there.
Time, yeah.
Why 3? That is the timing. Okay.
55. 1 hour extra I made.
But after that, the token need to be updated. That is a problem.
Okay.
Click save and just close this.
Yeah.
And try to get the signature again from this policy. Generate SAS. 1 second, let me see what is it.
Yeah.
On shared access policy, select that box.
So policy 1, no?
This is what now I made it my screen bigger, so I'm seeing all the options. wait. I'll do that.
You had to make the screen bigger now.
Permission 2 are selected. Okay, because list and read we given it, correct?
Yeah.
And the start time is 14/7 as 1:50 p.m. Expiry will be 2:55. 1 hour you given that. Okay. And allowed IP addresses or something like that. For example, it has been given. We have not given anything like HTTPS only. It has been kicking. Okay. Just click generate SAS token and URL.
Okay.
Scroll down. Blob token. Copy the blob token.
So again, update in the notepad, right?
Yes. No. Do one thing. Remove it. Everything means otherwise. Just remove everything.
Okay.
Control A. Delete. Now it's a token. Enter. Paste it. Okay. Enter.
Yeah.
Then the URL. Okay. Copy that URL. Paste it. Let me see that URL. What is this saying? Blob core Windows. Client storage. JSP. Signature is there already. Test SAS storage. It is showing the name of the storage also, right?
Yeah.
But what is the thing is that? Can you check my document once?
Yes, sir.
Step number 3.
Step 3, huh? Here.
This will be like this URL and query string will come. We require a query string also.
That's not similar to this one.
Yes, that's what I am feeling wonder. That means something changed.
Yeah, it starts, in your notepad it starts with question mark, but over here it starts with SI something.
Otherwise, we do one thing, we'll put one question mark and we will put the token.
Just, front of the, SI, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Now we need to get the picture.
Picture URL.
Picture URL you need to get.
Okay.
First you close this one.
Yeah.
Open that storage. Yeah, get in there. It's taking a lot of time. Hanged.
I'm not sure.
No. Just click home.
Home.
And go to storage accounts. And click the
Test storage.
and the container. container down, data storage, then online storage.
So this URL we need, right?
That URL we require. Copy that URL.
Yeah.
Come back to the notepad again. Paste it. Now put one question mark. Already the question mark is there.
Yeah, it assigned. Yeah.
Now it will work, Baba. Beautifully it will work. Copy that.
No, I
And paste
manually entered the question mark actually.
Yeah. Copy
So after JPG directly paste, right?
Directly paste it and entire select the URL of the pic now. Complete.
Yeah.
And go to the browser and enter it.
Yes.
You're seeing the picture, but this picture will be seen until 2:55 only.
Until yeah, I got it. Yes.
You can do one thing. You can reduce the time to 15 minutes, 10 minutes like that.
Okay, fine. Okay.
And we can verify whether the picture is not showing us something. Error
Not
should.
showing up. Yeah.
But once you change the policy again, you need to create the token again.
Again token, right?
Yes. Do one thing. Don't do the same container, same storage. Create another one.
Another one. Okay.
Another container required.
Container, yeah.
Yes, not in the same container. Container you create one.
Just one. Container access. Okay, container created.
Do on your own. Let me see.
What is it?
Just do on your own.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, Minaj will be watching and Minaj will be helping him. Okay.
So, I mean, the list of policies won't show over here, right? That will be only for individual containers. For example, we had given in policy 1.
That is a different. No, I'll change the policy number now. Change it, make it to policy 5.3 like that.
Okay. And over here, what I should give?
Read and list, same thing. Read and list.
Same thing, huh?
Yeah. We are going to give only the read permission for them.
Okay. Alright. Nothing else required. Okay. Same thing I'll upload. Same picture.
Take another picture. You don't have any other picture at all.
Fine.
Then how will you differentiate?
Why is not showing a JPG file? Okay. Okay. I need to change something, right? No, not here.
No, generate SAS.
Huh?
Generate SAS, yes.
Yes, generate SA. Over here, I need to apply that policy too. Okay, picture is coming. I think the timer was.
Token and other things. It is coming.
What is it?
You copy the token and it is coming.
Yeah.
Okay then. Then you need to check it after 10 minutes or something. What time you give?
I think after 10 minutes was the ending time, I feel.
Then you'll have to wait until 10 minutes. Until then, Vinaj can share the screen and he can show us.
No, I think I set it to 10.
2:10. What is the time now?
Wait, it's 2:10 already.
Wait for 1 more minute.
Yeah.
To 6. Access policy.
2:10 it is. So maybe 2:11 it will be blocked.
Should be blocking.
Yeah.
Otherwise, go troubleshoot it.
but not mine. It's still okay. After type next.
Oh, God.
Very good, very good, very good. The first time it is working with the German PC.
Oh no.
Fantastic. I'm saying that because every time it will give the problem. Now it is perfectly working. Great, nice.
Oh, God.
What about Minaj? Have you done that? Minaj?
Yes, it's done.
Is it's working for you?
Yes.
Showing
Yes,
on the
working for me. Yes.
okay.
After times.
Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, nice. So, Germana, can you explain what all you have done as a summary?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, basically you need to have a resource group, then a storage account, and then in storage account you need to make a container, and then you need to apply policies in that, like so and so time, and permissions also, like what kind of permissions you need to give, for example, read, write, delete, or list. So I mean, in our example, we just give read and list permission, and for a specific date and time. So we checked through that, and yeah, it was working.
No. You
You
missed
need
many
to.
points. You missed many points in that. Minaj can add those points which you missed.
I mean, yeah, the URLs you have to copy, generate the SAS tokens and all.
That is what the lab name itself is a SAS only. You
Yeah,
should
I mean,
speak about that. Okay, we are creating
yeah,
a token for that
correct. After
and
uploading
adding the token to
the
that
content
URL.
in the containers, then you need to create the generate the SAS tokens and then URL, blob URL and all. Yeah.
Okay. So that SAS
And
token is the one that which will be making your policy to run or not.
yes.
Okay. Without having the SAS token, if somebody tries to access that page, it will not work.
And of course, like if you update some policy, then again you need to update.
Create.
I mean, SAS token and URL.
Yes. So this is about SAS storage. Okay.
Yeah.
So with this, we finished almost all the storage related things.
Okay.
So guys, are you guys are doing practicals when you are offline? When I am offline?
No.
Last time I did, because I have not taken the class, so I checked the videos and do it myself. So only the last time.
Because if you are not touching that, even though it is only the graphical user interface, you will forget everything.
Okay.
Yeah. Sure. Without having a proper documentation in hand, every time these people will be the front end will be always changing. These guys will always change because they would like to decorate more in Azure. Okay. not in only in Azure, it is happening in AWS. We have so much of a problem in AWS. Like front end means like the GUI console looking like no, it will be complete confusion always. If we just leave it for 10 days, come back, it will be new. They wanted to update something newly things. It's a bigger problem. So keep in touch always, whatever you are doing that, go verify whether it is still the same, the screen or something changed. You see that I have a lot of problems now in explaining. Got it? This whole lab should be done in Storage Explorer. The package we install in Windows 10, right?
Yes.
That will be like a smoother ride for you. Very easy for you to do that. But here it is, we have to do a lot. So many changes have done. So I tried out in the, actually I can just say that it's the first time I'm trying it in the GUI portal itself, creating a SAS.
Okay.
But this job is completely done in the Storage Explorer only.
Storage Explorer. Huh?
Yes, very easily can be done, can be created, and all these things can be tested very easily. Because Storage Explorer will never ask you to log in and again, because the login has already been there to the Azure accounts. People who are like a storage admins and all, they will have this Explorer in their screen. They will be doing all these things for people. So every now and then there will be keep on tickets will be generated for, like sharing this, not sharing that, reading this, like permissions changing. Everything they will be keep on doing this all the time. They cannot come to the GUI and doing all. They do it on the Explorer only. Okay. Anyway, we have done. See, whatever we are doing.
That will be like a traditional way of, sharing the file, right?
Not traditional. It is very easier like that because it's like a file explorer only. It shows correct.
No, like what I'm trying to say is like right click then properties window, properties
convenient.
then
Very convenient.
security. In that we need to add the user, na? So basically it's like that.
Yeah, you are not feeling like that you are in a cloud or something. You'll be feeling like you are in local RDS, you are working with that. Or maybe the local server you are working with it like that.
Okay.
That makes like people to work so conveniently. So they made like a storage explorer like. So name is also explorer only. File explorer like that, storage explorer they made. So we can upload, we can download, we can delete the copies, we can create the containers over there, we can create a storage account, everything is possible on that. Correct.
Okay.
SAS also we can do in that. Everything we can do, all related to storage things, completely we can do with that.
From the Storage Explorer. Okay.
Yes. Okay then. Anyway, so we have finished this storage things. So go through this again and again, and we have seen that through the PowerShell also creating the storage and all. We've seen that. That also we can try that. But we need to learn more commands to create it on the PowerShell itself, to create the resources like a virtual machine creation, database creations and all. That's like -R, but we will be using some ARM template will be coming up, but we'll do later, not now. Okay.
Okay.
And we'll go directly to that now, the server related thing, that is a load balancer. Do you have any idea about the load balancers? Yes, you can do one day. We can stop the recording or something like that. We can have a separate videos for this.